Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt on the fun and importance of raising a bottle calf.
Right now, Emma is back with a recipe for a fun dessert dip. Here's that story.
Well, here on the program, we always look forward to Wednesdays because that means we're going to find out about a Common Ground recipe. And joining me now is Emma Vogt again. And Emma, what do you have for us?
I have a Funfetti dip. It's an easy 3-ingredient dip that you can put with just about anything to take to potlucks or have something fun for the kids after school. So first, to get started, I've just got the basic Funfetti cake mix. You're just going to pour it on a parchment lined cookie sheet and spread it out into a smooth layer. And then you're just going to bake it at 350 just to make sure that there's no bacteria. I just make a nice layer of the cake mix. I'm going to pop it in the oven at 350 for 5 minutes. And once it's cooled, you can just pour it into a bowl, and you're going to take a cup of yogurt. You can use regular yogurt or Greek yogurt. My kids really like regular vanilla yogurt, so that's what we're going to go with. And then just a tub of whipped topping. Mine sat at room temp just to come up and make it easier to mix and get that all in the bowl. I'm going to cheat and use an electric mixer. And once you have all the cake mix mixed up in there, you can transfer it in to whatever container you want to have it in. And you can kind of make it festive for your time of year. I've just got some extra sprinkles to add on to, and some M&Ms in the more Easter time colors, and a few Sour Patch bunnies that the girls found. And then we like to serve ours with just kind of an array. You can do grape, strawberries, animal crackers, graham crackers, anything. So you can make it whatever you would like.
Great idea. Okay, and good for this time of the year as Easter is coming up. I think that looks really festive. Emma, thank you very much for being here today.